Okay guys, welcome back to Geek Side. So, a little bit weird, very massive. Hopefully, yeah, I think y'all are safe. So, let's get started. Let's get into the video.
Preview. Preview.
So, today's the first episode of Geek Side Tutorials. So, it's about Davinci Resolve 16. So, in this video, we're going to talk about how to add images, how to install, and how to add simple text. So, let's get into the video. Okay guys, let's get started. So, Davinci Resolve 16. Actually, Davinci Resolve 16 is a free open source software that you can edit videos. So, first of all, you go to Google or Microsoft Edge and search Davinci Resolve 17. Then click Davinci Resolve 17 Black Magic Design. Click that link. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you like. If you learned something new. Also, a new blend series is coming. Lots of videos to do coming. So, so go to download button and there are few options coming down. There's 17 Studio, 16 Storage. So click your operating system. So if you have Mac OS, just click Mac. If you have Windows, click Windows. Or if you have Linux, click Linux. So I have Windows operating system. So I'm gonna click Windows and this. Okay, now you only have to register yourself, then it's all over done. So okay, now let's edit. So Popella already installed the software, so open a new project. Then I'm going to click okay. So when you are doing Davinci Resolve 16, there are a few basics. So first of all, let's learn how to import media. So import media means like photos, videos, and those stuffs. So let's get into it. Okay. So just go to the file, click import media. No, sorry, import file. Then go to import media. Then the window coming. So I'm gonna select these few items. Okay. So now it's in my media pool, so I'm gonna take this into my timeline. Perfect. So okay guys, so first go to the tiles tab, then select the text, just a simple text, then drag it to the place that you want to add your text. So I'm doing it. Okay, so now let's talk about how to add a simple text to your video. So let's go to the video. Let's go to the edit tab, click the text and go to inspect. Okay, so now a small window coming here. Just need to edit the settings. Just need to put any text. Just put anything. I'm gonna put Geek Side. Okay, Geek Side. Then you can even change the font style, size, and the position. Pretty easy. Davinci Resolve 16 is a pretty easy editing software. So that's it for today guys. Hope you all enjoy the video and learn something new. If you are new, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and see you on the next video.